Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is very quick video. I was getting ready and I always wanted to share what mascara is really good to get fuller and thicker eyelashes. I use all the good brands, expensive ones as well as I like to use some drugstore products as well, like from the chemist and pharmacies. And this one is from Max Factor. It's called 2000 Calorie Curl Addict, and I am absolutely loving this mascara. It is a rich volume and curl, so this one here is absolutely a big yes if you are looking for a non-expensive mascara and you want thick full lashes and you do not need to wear false lashes when you get ready. So since I started using this, I think I've stopped using the false lashes because this builds up. So this side I've got no mascara at all, just got the eyeliner and the eyeshadow, and this side I've just applied one layer and it's already looking full. I don't know if you can see it, see the difference. The camera is not justifying actually, but it is actually full, so I'll show you how it makes it different. So I'm going to apply this on this eye and I'll show you. And that's just one layer of mascara, and trust me, you can build this up and then have thicker and fuller eyelashes. Now I'm gonna do, after some time, like let it sit just like a few seconds, and then I'm gonna apply another coat. Makeup is all about patience. You need to have patience to get the right makeup. Whether it's eyeshadow, whether it's mascara, anything, eyeliner, you have to have patience and use the right technique. Here you go. This one has only one layer, and this one, as I said, I just did the 2 layers in front of you guys, and you can see the difference. Fuller lashes, and I can build up with another 2 or 3 layers if I want to. It doesn't look chunky, it does not look too much on your eyes, and it's feeling light. And it just looks good. I love the mascara. I love this mascara. I will share all the other mascaras as well, the ones I like from the pharmacies, and this is just my recent one I'm using. I decided to share that with you guys, so I hope you guys liked it. And so this is a quick replay. So when you apply the mascara, you gently take the excess product off and then lift your eye, work from the bottom to the top like this. Never apply just on top. You don't get the results here. And same, closer. The product should go between your eyelashes. And obviously I haven't done the under eye, so that will make my eye makeup complete. Eyelashes are now fuller and thicker without any fake eyelashes. So I'm just gonna finish my other eye and I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to comment. I don't understand why you don't comment. If you don't comment, I don't know if you guys are happy with my videos or if you have any questions. If you do comment, and do let me know if you have any questions or any videos you want me to make next, anything, something nice or a suggestion. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye, and happy Valentine's Day.